Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn an educational video. Before we start today's video, please do subscribe our channel for latest videos and please do click on bell icon so that you'll get all the notifications.
History and evolution of cookery. Introduction. Cookery is defined as a chemical process, the mixing of ingredients, the application and withdrawal of heat. Decision-making, technical knowledge and manipulative skills. In the more advanced stages, a further element occurs, that of creativity. Cookery is considered to be both an art and technology. Food preparation is a modern term in professional cookery. It denotes preparation and cooking. It follows a flow pattern that commences with the purchasing and selection of material, their handling, processing and the ultimate presentation of the dishes to the customer, where food service takes over. In French, the word cuisine denotes the art of cooking, preparing dishes, and the place, the kitchen in which they are prepared. Thanks for watching. For more videos please do subscribe and click on bell icon. Bye.